Way back in Unit 1, we did study the differences between por and para, but now I want to re-review this in a lesson of its own. Por is used for mode of travel, mode of communication, or routes taken. Hablo con él por teléfono. Viajamos por Portugal y España. For exchanges and trades. Daría mi vida por ti. Dame $5 por este libro. For duration or length of time. No quiero trabajar por 10 horas cada día. For motivations and reasons. Todo lo que he hecho, lo hice por la familia. Para is for destinations. Salgo para Madrid en una semana. Recipients. El regalo es para mi abuela. Deadlines. Tengo que entregarlo para el miércoles. For goals and purposes. Estudiamos para sacar buenas notas. And that's all, a very brief summary of the differences between por and para. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you can share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.